have to check on the schedule.
Actually, that is our concern because it's very close to
Yes.
Friday.
I don't know, there was a talk of whether 28 or 29.
Friday,
Yes.
28 is Friday.
Yes. And our
Magana man, induction nila.
We were thinking she should be
30.
May 30 Friday.
not me.
June 30.
O, kay July, lingkod naman. Lingkod naman sila kay July.
May 31st. Noon time.
Advance po.
May 31st.
Ay, di ay.
June
June 30. June 30. June 30 is Sunday.
Dapat may ilag.
June 30 is Sunday. So it could be possible na July 1 sila, which is Monday.
Wala naman sila lumorotag yan. Assume sila July 1.
July 1. Or we could be earlier. Kung bala kung July 28. June 28, madungan sa ato.
I'll know by Monday or Tuesday.
Okay.
Then,
Thank you.
Just in case lang, June 28 din ang may ano ba tayo?
That's why we wanted to know as early as next week so that just in case the incoming mayor is not available, we have
Maka-invite
some
others.
options. Yes, people.
You're asking about our t-shirt.
Yeah. Incoming treasurer Lori, diba you said you'll be collecting for the t-shirts.
Karon na, wata ka ready, uy.
Anyway,
Next week, i-announce
our
na.
chairman for the t-shirt
Brigade na
is
daan.
incoming treasurer Lori Tan, who will be collecting the t-shirts. The new t-shirt. The color is, of course,
That is 450, no?
relevant to the new theme, which is Engage Rotary Change Lives.
Lives. So, change of dress, change of uniform.
I do want that President Lito design.